What's going on, everybody? Chuck here, and I hope that you are having a fantastic day today. In this video, I'm gonna go classy dark. If you haven't done so already, please consider hitting that subscribe button down below, or go ahead and hit that like button, because those kind of things, they really do mean a lot to us content creators. So subscribe, like, or dislike, whatever, doesn't matter. So I know I said that in my last video, Spraying and Praying, that I was gonna do a video on killing the Bermuda grass that's like over there in the lawn, along with the quack grass and some of the crabgrass over here on the strip. And that video is forthcoming, but there's some big news on the horizon, and I'm waiting for one piece of that puzzle to arrive here in the next week or so, and then I can go ahead and tackle the Bermuda grass. But until then, I need to wait until that comes. You'll see. So in the meantime, I still need to do just my routine weekly spoon feedings that I've been doing on the lawn of 402 Flora Green. Now, it's not really ever lined up because I've quite honestly been slacking on my biostim applications, so I'm not really, or I just haven't noticed, I don't know. But recently I did a video, actually yesterday, released a video on the N-ext DIY Lawn channel saying that 402 Flora Green is the best summer fertilizer for your lawns. Now everyone throws, this is the best for this, the best for that, you know, willy-nilly, and it's all most of the time just because of preference. But I do stand by that. I do think it is a wonderful summer lawn fertilizer to get those spoon feedings in, and you're gonna keep things going until the fall. Then you can hit it with the higher, heavier doses of nitrogen here on the cool season side of things. Now warm season, it's sort of the flip-flop of that, but you know, you don't want to push a bunch of growth, and I think 402 Flora Green is perfect for that. Now, my last video, the Spraying and Praying video, you know, that was me applying the biostim pack, which is your aerate, your humic 12, your RGS, and your 002 microgreen. Well, the very next day is when I filmed that video for the 402 Flora Green, and one thing that, like I said, I either didn't notice it, I don't know, but the color response that I received from the combination, it's mainly the 002 microgreen and the 402 Flora Green, was awesome. I mean, I even messaged John Perry and I said, hey, you know, this 402 Flora Green, 002 microgreen is like really busting out the green in the lawn. And he agreed that 402 Flora Green is highly underrated on the next line of products. Because it does have iron in it, and obviously there's iron in the 002 microgreen. And so I'm gonna dub that combination the classy dark. So earlier the year, you know, you saw I did the double dark combo where you do the 700 green effect with the 002 microgreen. I think it's like 6% iron in that. I'll put the number here, what the total, the iron is in it. The 402 Flora Green and the microgreen is 3% iron total, because there's 1.5% iron in the Flora Green. So it is 4.5% iron with the microgreen and the Flora Green. So it is a lower dose of iron, so you're not getting that heavy hit of green like you would, say, with an ironite or something like that. But I actually prefer the green. I'm gonna show you here on the strip, because I think it's, you know, just a better representation right now in the morning of what, and hopefully it shows up on camera. Please disregard the weeds, but because we are taking care of those, like I said. But the green is just, it's classy looking. It's just a nice, rich green. It's not that deep green that you'd get with the double dark combo, but it's a really nice green. And you, like I said, you're spoon feeding. With the 402 Flora Green at the recommended 9 ounces per 1,000 square feet, you are only putting down 0.03 pounds of nitrogen. So you aren't putting a whole lot of nitrogen down in the ground, but you are putting the humic and the cold water kelp, so you're getting your soil goodies, and you're getting the iron in there. So you are getting the nutrients in the lawn at small doses, just to help keep it going through these hot summer months, like I said, before the fall, when you can hit it with some heavier stuff. So I'm gonna apply the classy dark combo, and so I'm gonna change it up just a little bit though. because I'm gonna start doing this weekly, I think. The 002 microgreen, I'm only gonna apply at 3 ounces per 1,000 versus in the last video I did 6 ounces, and typically you can go a little bit heavier than that. I'm gonna do 3 ounces per 1,000 of the 002 microgreen and the recommended 9 ounces per 1,000 of the 402 florogreen, and do what I'm calling the classy dark. So that is it for this video. It's fairly simple, you know, 3 ounces per 1,000 of your microgreen. You could probably do 6 ounces per 1,000 in all honesty, weekly if you wanted to. I just did the 3, and then the 9 ounces per 1,000 on the 402 florogreen just to get that routine weekly feeding of nitrogen. And like I said, the color response I'm getting just looks fantastic. I do have some guests over, so that's kind of why I'm applying it today. So it's gonna look really, really good. Of course, the morning time here, it is 7:04 in the morning, so it always looks better this early in the morning. But it just looks really, really good. And when it looks good at like high noon or when the sun's at the highest point in the day, you know it's looking good. And that's kind of how this all started real quick. That's when I messaged John Perry. It was like 2 o'clock in the afternoon, which is typically when the lawn doesn't look its best because the sun is too high, it's too bright. So it kind of washes out. You almost maybe get like a brown color to it. But it was looking so green. I'm like, John, this stuff is looking so green at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So it is just a good, classy, dark green. So anyway, I'll put links to these products down in the description. They are affiliated, so I do get a small commission if you purchase using those links. But anyway, that is it for this video. I hope you all liked it. Please like, subscribe, comment below. What is your preferred go-to combination or your go-to product if you want to get a little bit maybe of some spoon feeding, or you just want to green up the lawn? Bet I see a bunch of ironite down below, which is fine. But anyway, I will see you all in the next video. Have a fantastic rest of your day, and God bless.